Hi friends, welcome back to Codfidence, a channel for you to learn coding with confidence. My name is Binu and today we are going to learn more features of the print function. Print function prints the given text or object to the console or screen. Each object is converted to string by the function. Print function can accept any number of positional arguments which are separated from each other using a comma separator. When passing multiple comma separated arguments, print function adds a space character after printing each and every arguments except the last one. After printing the last argument, print function adds a new line character and moves the cursor onto the next line. We can use the new line character \n within a string to move cursor manually onto the next line. The default space separator between the arguments of print function can be replaced using the sep property. The default placement of new line character after printing the last argument can be changed using the end property. The output of print function can also be redirected to a text stream file and thus store the data in the text file. Let's start coding our file print.py by adding some variables. Here the variables a, b and c are assigned with integer, floating point, number and string values respectively. Now we will print those values using separate print function calls. Let us add another print function statement just to print a line to separate the above statements from rest of the code. Now run the program. You can see the values of variables a, b, c printed on separate lines and also the line printed using dash character. We can simplify printing the line as follows. We can multiply a string value with an integer in order to replicate the string the number of times which equals the integer value. See here how the print function replicates the string dash 50 times. We can replicate any strings using this method. See the change of printing the line. Now we will print all the variables at once on the same line. The values of variables a, b and c are now printed on the same line. You can see the single space inserted after printing the values of variables a and b. Print function adds this space by default. To prevent print function from adding space after each argument, we can use the sep property as given below. Now there is no space added after the variables a and b. The value of sep argument can be set to any string value. The separator is now changed to a comma followed by a space. We can use the end property to prevent moving on to the next line after printing the values. Now you can see a space is added after the value of a, but not after b. This is because print adds space after all the arguments except the last one. Here the last argument is b. The text "Welcome to Python" just follows the value of b, as the end property prevents adding a new line character after b. The end argument value can also be set to any string as follows. The dollar symbol is displayed after the value of variable b. Print function can also be used to redirect data to a text file rather outputting the values on the screen. This can be done by first opening a file and then redirecting the values to the file using print function. Now run the program again. The output of last two print statements is not showing on the screen because the output is now redirected to a text file. The open function helps us to open a file with the name output.txt. The second parameter of open function represents the mode in which the file is to be opened, and here W denotes the write mode, that is, simply write some data to the file. Go to the folder where this code file is saved, and you can see the file output.txt is there. Just double click to open the file. You can see the text output returned by print function in the file. We will learn more about file management in a later video. So thanks for watching. Share your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section. Like and share the video, and also subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.